What's going on, everyone? Hope you're having an incredible day. My name is Dan. Welcome to my trading channel. On this channel, I talk about cryptocurrency, the future of it, my personal trades, what I'm doing, how I'm reacting to the market, to help give insight to people who are first getting into the market, or maybe you've been in a while. You're saying, hey, listen, I'm looking for a perspective of it, and I'm bringing a perspective from a professional trader who's currently trading the market. So with that, let's dive right in. I want to let people know that you can actually learn my strategies of trading, how I took one Ethereum and turned it into over 50. Yes, I took one Ethereum and turned it into over 50 trading on Bitmart. And I show you the strategies that I use to be able to do that and what I currently am using. I practice what I preach. And so you can connect your MetaMask to this website and you can pay for 0.1 Ethereum. You can actually unlock all the content on the page. It's available to view for 1 month. You can watch all the modules, all the videos, and everything like that. You just connect your MetaMask, and the content unlocks instantly. So yeah, it's built on top of a smart contract, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, so all of this content right here will just unlock, and you'll be able to scroll down. It's locked right now until you pay with your MetaMask, and then it just unlocks personally. So pretty cool, I think. Let's dive right into it, and I'll show you some of my trades and what I'm doing. But before we dive into the trades, let's SEC charges rapper T.I. over cryptocurrency scam. I just saw this when I woke up. It would seem that T.I. left a paper trail. The Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) on Friday announced charges against 39-year-old rapper, real name Clifford Joseph Harris, for his alleged role in promoting a fraudulent initial coin offering, which is an ICO. Harris, the SEC claims, sold cryptocurrency tokens via his Twitter account and encouraged his followers to invest in the 2017 Flick ICO, all the while falsely claiming to be a part owner. According to the SEC, the ICO was, surprise, essentially a scam run by film producer Ryan Felton. Felton promised to build a Netflix on the blockchain, LOL, but never delivered. Instead, Fulton allegedly used money from Flick ICO investors to drive up the price of a second token, Spark, which Felton also controlled. So this, we're going to see more of this. We're going to see more of people getting into the cryptocurrency space. But my thoughts on this are they're going after public figures, and I think they're going after public figures like T.I. is a public figure, is to kind of sort of paint them in a bad light so they can kind of scare everyone, and they can kind of say, we did this to T.I., so don't be messing around with this stuff. Obviously, he shouldn't have been promoting a fraudulent cryptocurrency, and I'm not sticking up for him in any capacity whatsoever. But there's a reason that this made the news, because it has the name cryptocurrency and it has a celebrity in it. And so if they can bring to light, if they can paint cryptocurrency as a scam, like I was saying yesterday, then they can kind of scare people from using it, and they can kind of say, you're using this, so you're partaking in a potential, something that is helping criminals in their criminal activities. Then they have a much easier way of kind of bringing it in a way that it's not in your best interest to be a part of it, and that's really what their goal is to do. So it doesn't make sense. It makes sense that we're going to see news articles like this, and I think that it's going to continue to ramp up. I think, wasn't it Seal, the musician Seal, became a billionaire from buying Ripple or something like that? So we're going to see more celebrities getting into it. Justin Bieber tweeted something about Bitcoin. Tony Hawk owns Bitcoin. So, we're going to see more and more people get into it, and hopefully they won't be in scams like this. This is unfortunate for T.I. But, so let's dive right into the trades. And right now, everything's kind of just pandering sideways. Hopefully we'll see a nice move up or a nice move down. Sideways doesn't really make us money. I like sharp moves down because then I get to buy, and I like sharp moves up because then I get to sell. Everything is currently in a 0.36% profit. Keep in mind, this always fluctuates. So, sometimes my charts will be up 10, 15, 20%, and sometimes they'll be down a little bit. But as long as the general sentiment of the chart is that things are going up, right? So right now it's good that we're in a confirmed bull market, because then that means our probability of things going up over time are in our favor, right? So if we were in a bear market, we would not be wanting to go long and hold because the probability of things not going in our favor, which is up, are much less. But since it's in a bull market, the probability of us going up is much higher. So that's all it is, really. It appears, if you look at the chart, that I'm predicting the future, but that's not the case. I'm reacting to what the chart is doing, and because of that, it's much more favorable for it to work out in your advantage, in my advantage. And I teach all of this stuff because there's a lot more that really goes into it. I teach all this stuff in Trade the Crypto. You can go to and learn all my strategies. But yeah, basically when you know what the market, when you know the likelihood of what the market, I'm not going to say I know what the market is going to do because I don't. But when you know what the likelihood of the market could do, you are able to kind of go, you're able to rest at night and sleep at night and be like, I'm not worried about a 0.9% being down that much. Like it doesn't faze me. Why doesn't it faze me? Well, because if I go to a 4-hour chart, right? This is a downtrend right now. This is going down. However, we basically tapped out at this previous resistance, right? So this is previous resistance. Why is this previous resistance? Well, it came up, wasn't able to go any further. It did a pullback. It came back and it got to that same place and just busted through, and then it went on a nice tear. So if you were a breakout trader and you saw this, and that's what I teach how to breakout trade. I teach that too as well. But if you're a breakout trader and you saw this and you saw the volume coming in and stuff like that, you could get this and you could have rode that pump all the way up. So when it came back down, it didn't surprise me that it came right here and it bounced, right? And it has a likelihood of bouncing right here, a much higher likelihood. And if it crashes that and goes down farther, then that even increases the probability of the trade working out as well too. So I'm not worried about it being down. In fact, I'm quite thrilled that I'm able to get in and get some cheap V-chain. So when this thing tears up again and it gets back on a rip, we are going to be our bags are full. So our account is going to go up. But yes, I do not freak out. I stick to a strategy, the strategies I teach. And because of that, I'm able to sit back and maintain when everyone is freaking out. And that's the mindset that you want to have. Anyway, I hope this video helps. Smash the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell if you like this kind of content. I'm going to get back to trading. I will talk to you all later.